unbox the convenience of complete care for your baby bottles and essentials. Adjustable sizes to match your needs. Quick and easy to assemble. Designed for all parents. Choose your mode: sterilize, dry, or both. Customized for your needs. Add 120 ml of drinking water. Simply load, press, and let it do the work for you. The process takes 9 to 12 minutes. Turn the knob to dry. The unit starts and auto stops after 40 minutes.